Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord umkhokha the curse. Guys, can we agree ukuthi uma ngabe uhethekile but uyamthanda umyeni wakhe? Uma ngabe uhethekile but uyamthanda umyeni wakhe. Because did you hear the part where ukuthi okay fine uGuy makaphuma esibedlela ufikele kaMacela ngisho bamnakekela, and then uMakhumalo no Mangwabe they would go every day kaMacele bayoncedisa indaba kaMseleko, right? Then he moved from there waya kuphi waya kaMakay. Makafika kaMakay, uMakay did whatever that she needed to do, and during that process uMangwabe would come every day to assist ngento zakamusa Mseleko, and then moved to uMangwabe. Then Makay went to assist. Now meaning these three wives babambisene being uMacele, Mangwabe, Makhumalo. The reason why I'm saying uMangwabe uyamthanda umyeni wakhe, she's just hurt and she's saying these things out of hurt is because ugirl akakaphumi namanje. Umusa ubuyile, Umusa is up and running. uMakhumalo had warned her ukuthi Umusa kahle kahle kulo msebenzi uzo-announce unumber 5. Ek-announce unumber 5, uMangwabe bekathi akasazi ngeni. Now unumber 5 kufana nokuthi u-announce-iwe even though abambonanga, you get, but ugirl is still there. Mangwabe uyamthanda umyeni wakhe. She's just temporarily hurt or endured some pain for a long time. But I think if Mseleko plays his cards right and he apologizes and he does what a man needs to do by giving her love, taking care of her, doing the right things, I stand to be corrected, but I believe ukuthi izinto zizoba right. So Mseleko must just pick up his socks and do what a man needs to do to make his woman happy. But also, can we give uMangwabe her flowers? Ukuthi after uMakhumalo had stood up, uMangwabe also stood up and said, nami cha, angivumi lento, angihambi kanjena. This is the process esizohamba ngayo. But yeah, this is where we are. But uMakhwela yena uyangena, bathanda bangathandi. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.